2010 to present. This era is a revolution in the field of artificial intelligence, with many developments. Microsoft launched Kinect for Xbox 360, the first gaming device that tracked human movement using a 3D camera and infrared detection. Apple released Voice Assistant Siri in 2011. It uses a natural language user interface to infer, observe, answer, and give recommendations to users. In 2014, Amazon created Alexa, a home assistant that is a smart speaker functioning as a personal assistant. Google developed a driverless car in 2009, and by 2014, it launched the first car. This self-driving car uses a combination of sensors, cameras, and AI to travel between destinations without human help. In 2016, David Hanson created a humanoid named Sophia. She can copy human gestures and facial expressions. Google released Google Home in 2016. It uses AI to act as a personal assistant, helping the user remember tasks, create appointments, and search for information by voice. Artificial intelligence has evolved many folds, as we have read in the chapter. AI technology is still evolving by each passing day, and we might see more inventions as the technology progresses.